Good morning, everybody. Myself, Mr. Padarind Panda. I'm going to represent on transformer. So, as the definition, the transformer is nothing else. It is a static device which works on the alternating current. Is to change the high voltage to low voltage or high current to low current. Or you can go through the vice versa also. In brief, it transfers the electrical power from one circuit to another circuit. It does so without a change of frequency, means the frequency is constant. And whatever the power is changed, power transfer from one circuit to another circuit, it is done by the electromagnetic induction. And one thing is the two electric circuit has no electrical connection. For the working principle of the transformer, this is the cross-sectional view of the transformer. It has two winding which is placed in a magnetic core, high permeability magnetic core. From this two winding which is connected to the source, this is the source, this is called as the primary winding, and which is connected to the load is called as the secondary winding. This is the supply given, the alternating voltage V1, for which the alternating current I1 start to flow in the primary winding, due to which an alternating magnetic field is created here, and by the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF is induced, that is E1 is equals to minus N1 d phi by dt. Some of the flux is linked to the secondary through this high permeability core, and in the secondary also an EMF is induced due to the mutual induction, that is E2 is equals to minus N2 d phi by dt. As the load is connected to this secondary winding, the current start to flow. As already I have told, the primary winding is connected to the AC supply, the secondary winding is connected to the electrical load, and all the things, whatever the things I have explained now, that is only written here. And here see the induced EMF is directly proportional to the N, means the number of turns in winding. For the primary winding N1, for the secondary winding N2. And d phi by dt, this is the change of flux, and is same for both the primary and secondary windings. So simply the induced EMF is directly proportional to the number of turns only, this one. And the classification of the transformers. As for phase, means in which phase the transformer is connected, is a single phase or three phase, how many number of phases are there. With respect to that, the transformer is classified in two, that is single phase and three phase. As per the construction or as per the core, it is of two type, core type and cell type. As per the cooling system, whatever the coolant you are using to cool the transformer, it is the self-cooled, air-cooled and oil-cooled. As per the service, where it is connected, that is the distribution transformer, power transformer, instrument transformer. The power transformer mainly used in the transmission purpose, means the voltage is always more than the 11 kV, and the distribution transformer is used for distribution purpose where the voltage is less than the 6.6 kV, like this, and instrument transformer is used for the instrumentation purpose or measurement purpose. Thank you.